Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Welcome back mga kapuso. Best Talk Time na kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Thanks, Arjo! Welcome to Best Talk mga kapuso. Naku, excited kaayo ko karong buntaga kay makauban nato si kapusong Gabby Eigenmann. Maayong buntag, Sir Gabby, and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. We're so happy to have you ngayong umaga. Kumusta ka na? And of course, ang pamilya mo.
Mayang buntad sa inyo. Okay naman. So far, getting used to being here at home for like the 4 months. Technically 4 months. Okay naman, surviving.
So kayo ng family mo, Sir Gab, what have you been doing lately?
Ako yung mas maraming ginagawa. Kasi, kumbaga ako yung tagaluto dito. I do the errands, I do the groceries. So, the kids naman, they're probably gonna start on their online classes sometime soon. Tapos, yung ibang kids ko kasi, tinuturuan ko na sila mag-drive. So, minsan may ikot-ikot lang kami dito.
At syempre, alam mo Sir Gab, hindi ka talaga hindi halata that you already have 4 grown-up na kids. You have a beautiful lady. Tapos, your 3 boys are as equally handsome as the dad. Naku, kung tatanungin ko naman Sir Gab, kung mag-artista yung mga anak mo, papayag ka kaya?
Kung sa question ko papayag ako, basta gusto nila. Kung gugustuhin nila, I'll just be there to support. Pero kung ako may gusto, parang it never really crossed my mind na, pasok kita sa showbiz, hindi. Basta kung anong gusto nila, I'll just be there to support them. Ang nakikita ko na mas nagkaroon ng chance na parang mahiligan ang showbiz is yung bunso ko. He's more of into the parang gusto niya maging aktor, gusto niya maging artista.
Hindi kaila sa amin lahat that you come from the very famous Eigenmann clan. Siguro kung Sir Gab, meron kang values na natutunan sa family mo or from the Eigenmanns. Ano kaya yun?
Madami. Kumbaga, love and respect with each other. Tapos sa industriya kasi, since nung pumasok ako sa show business, my dad would always give me an advice. In general, na yun naman ang pinapractice ng buong Eigenmann is to love your work, to love what you do, be passionate about it. You have to hone your craft and at the same time, respect other people.
Oo. Ang galing naman. And of course, ito Sir Gab, dahil alam namin, you've been in the business na for more than 2 decades, tama? At dahil nga, sa galing mo, you're now part of Bilangin ng Bituin sa Langit dahil wala mo ng taping ngayon. Magpapadescribe mo na kami sa'yo dun sa mga co-stars mo naman sa Bilangin. How would you describe our very young star na si Kaylin Alcantara?
She's very talented. She has it all. I mean, she can act, she can sing, she can dance. Very professional. And mararamdaman mo yung pagmamahal niya sa trabaho because kahit gaano siya kapagod, kahit gaano siya sa parang puno sa schedule niya, she'd always make it a point to be on time to do the best that she can. So makikita mo talaga yung eagerness kasi everyday is a learning process for like ako kasi kahit matagal na ako sa industriya, it's always a learning process for me.
2 words to describe Miss Miley Dizon naman.
Professional and unpredictable.
Wow. Miss Nora Honor.
Legend, superstar.
Superstar. And
Legend,
of course, Gabby Eigenmann, how would you describe yourself?
Hindi pwedeng 1 word lang eh.
Okay.
Wow. Hindi.
Isang sentence.
I'm just a simple guy. Simple guy who loves doing what I do best. And then family man.
I think that says it all, diba?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Sir Gab, and we wish you more success. Maraming salamat sa oras.
Thank you for having me
umaga.
here. Salamat din po sa inyo.
Ayan, mga kapuso, daghan kayo tagdahibalan sa ganap sa life ni Gabby Eigenmann. Mo nang chill lang mo, kay mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.